I just spent 2 weeks diving deep into everything about the Norwegian Prima, and honestly, this ship completely changed my perspective on what modern cruising can be. After sailing on over 30 different vessels, I thought I'd seen it all, but Norwegian Prima proved me wrong in the best possible way. This isn't just another cruise ship review where I tell you the basics and move on. I'm going to share exactly what makes this vessel special, what might frustrate you, and whether it's worth your hard-earned vacation dollars. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll know if Norwegian Prima belongs on your bucket list or if you should look elsewhere. Let me start with something that'll blow your mind. Norwegian Prima isn't just big, it's smart big. We're talking about a ship that carries over 4,000 passengers, but somehow never feels overcrowded. The secret lies in how they've designed the space, and I'll explain exactly how they pulled this off. The staterooms on Norwegian Prima represent a massive leap forward from traditional cruise accommodations. Gone are the days of cramped quarters that feel like glorified closets. Even the inside staterooms, which typically get no natural light, feature virtual balconies with real-time ocean views displayed on large screens. The standard balcony staterooms are where things get interesting. Each one comes equipped with smart technology that lets you control lighting, temperature, and even request housekeeping through a simple app. The balconies themselves are deeper than most competitors, giving you actual usable outdoor space rather than just a tiny ledge. But here's where Norwegian Prima really shines. The suites aren't just bigger rooms with fancy names. The Haven Suites create an entirely separate cruise experience within the ship. You get your own private sundeck, exclusive restaurant, and dedicated concierge service. It's like sailing on a boutique ship while having access to all the amenities of a mega vessel. What impressed me most about the accommodations is the attention to storage. Every stateroom, from the most basic inside cabin to the largest suite, has been designed with actual travelers in mind. You'll find plenty of drawer space, hanging areas, and even dedicated spots for your shoes and toiletries. Now let's talk about something that can make or break any cruise experience: the food. Norwegian Prima takes dining seriously, offering over 15 different restaurants and bars, each with its own distinct personality and menu. The main dining room serves solid, reliable food that'll satisfy most palates. Nothing revolutionary here, but the quality is consistent and the portions are generous. The breakfast buffet gets busy, but they've designed multiple serving stations to keep lines moving. Where Norwegian Prima really excels is in the specialty restaurants. Onda by Scarpetta brings authentic Italian flavors that rival what you'd find in New York's Little Italy. The pasta is made fresh daily, and their ossobuco will have you planning your next cruise before you finish the plate. Los Lobos offers a modern take on Mexican cuisine that goes way beyond typical cruise ship tacos. Their mole negro is complex and rich, and the mezcal selection is impressive for a ship-based bar. The atmosphere feels like a trendy Mexico City restaurant rather than a cruise dining room. For steak lovers, the Commodore Club delivers perfectly cooked cuts in an elegant setting. Yes, you'll pay extra for these specialty restaurants, but the quality justifies the cost. They're dry-aged ribeye rivals what you'd get at a high-end steakhouse on land. The casual dining options deserve mention too. Food Republic offers Asian fusion dishes that actually taste authentic. The ramen isn't just instant noodles with fancy toppings, it's legitimate comfort food that hits the spot after a long day of activities. Don't overlook the bars either. The whiskey bar features an extensive selection of rare and premium spirits, while the Metropolitan Bar creates craft cocktails that would impress even the pickiest mixologist. The bartenders know their stuff and aren't just pouring drinks from a manual. The pool areas on Norwegian Prima break the mold of typical cruise ship water features. Instead of one massive, overcrowded pool surrounded by fighting for deck chairs, they've created multiple distinct aquatic zones. The main pool area centers around Infinity Beach, which features 2 infinity pools that create the illusion of water flowing directly into the ocean. The effect is stunning, especially during sunset sailaways. The pools themselves are larger and deeper than most cruise ship pools, making them actually suitable for swimming rather than just standing around. What sets Norwegian Prima apart is the adult-only Vibe Beach Club. This isn't just a roped-off section of the main pool deck. It's an entirely separate area with its own pools, hot tubs, and bar service. The atmosphere is more sophisticated, perfect for travelers who want to relax without dodging beach balls and screaming kids. The sun decks surrounding these pools offer plenty of seating options, from traditional lounge chairs to private cabanas that you can rent for the day. The cabanas come with dedicated service, premium amenities, and enough space for a small group to spread out comfortably. For families, the Aqua Park delivers serious fun with multiple water slides that twist and turn through several decks of the ship. The slides aren't just basic tubes, they feature racing elements and special effects that make each ride unique. The splash area keeps younger kids entertained while parents can watch from nearby seating. The hot tubs are strategically placed throughout the ship, not just clustered in one area. You'll find intimate two-person spas tucked into quiet corners, perfect for a romantic evening under the stars. Norwegian Prima's activity offerings go far beyond shuffleboard and bingo. This ship features attractions that rival what you'd find at major theme parks and entertainment complexes on land. The Go-Kart track stands out as the ship's signature attraction. This isn't a kiddie track with slow electric carts. We're talking about a legitimate racing circuit with multiple levels, sharp turns, and karts that reach genuine speeds. The track spans 3 decks and offers different racing experiences depending on your skill level. For thrill seekers, the laser tag arena creates an immersive experience with multiple levels, hiding spots, and special effects. The games change regularly, so even repeat cruisers won't get bored with the same scenarios every time. The fitness center deserves special recognition. Instead of cramped quarters with outdated equipment, Norwegian Prima offers a spacious facility with ocean views and state-of-the-art machines. The variety of classes goes beyond basic aerobics, including specialized sessions like TRX training and high-intensity interval workouts. Rock climbing walls provide challenges for different skill levels, from beginner-friendly routes to expert-level climbs that'll test even experienced climbers. The walls are well-maintained and the safety equipment is top-notch. What impressed me most is how they've integrated technology into the activities. The virtual reality experiences aren't just gimmicks, they're genuinely engaging adventures that transport you to different worlds. The escape rooms use digital elements to create puzzles that change each time you play. The sports complex includes a full-size basketball court, but it transforms into different activities throughout the day. You might find pickleball in the morning, volleyball in the afternoon, and dance classes in the evening. The spa and wellness facilities on Norwegian Prima elevate the concept of shipboard relaxation to new heights. The Mandara spa spans multiple decks and offers treatments that go well beyond basic massages and facials. The thermal suite alone justifies the spa access fee. You'll find saunas with different temperature and humidity levels, steam rooms infused with aromatic oils, and a snow grotto that provides a shocking but invigorating experience between hot treatments. The treatment menu reads like a luxury resort's offerings. Hot stone massages, deep tissue work, and couples treatments are just the beginning. They offer specialized services like acupuncture, reflexology, and even traditional Balinese healing rituals. What sets this spa apart is the relaxation areas. Instead of cramped waiting rooms, you'll find spacious lounges with comfortable seating, healthy snacks, and premium teas. The infinity pool reserved for spa guests provides a tranquil escape from the ship's busier areas. The fitness programs extend beyond the gym equipment. Daily yoga classes take place on outdoor decks during sunrise, creating a peaceful start to your day. The instructors are certified professionals, not just crew members with basic training. For those serious about wellness, the ship offers multi-day programs that combine nutrition counseling, fitness training, and spa treatments. These aren't just vacation indulgences, they are legitimate wellness experiences that can jumpstart healthier habits. Norwegian Prima doesn't forget about younger passengers, offering some of the most impressive family facilities I've encountered on any cruise ship. The kids' clubs aren't just babysitting services with a few toys scattered around. Splash Academy caters to different age groups with dedicated spaces designed specifically for each developmental stage. Toddlers get soft play areas with age-appropriate activities, while older kids enjoy video game lounges, arts and crafts studios, and even cooking classes designed for small hands. The Teen Club deserves special mention because it actually appeals to teenagers, which is no small feat. Instead of trying to force teens into kid-friendly activities, they've created a space that feels mature without being inappropriate. Gaming tournaments, dance parties, and movie screenings happen regularly. Family suites go beyond just adding bunk beds to regular staterooms. These accommodations feature separate living areas, multiple bathrooms, and enough space for families to spread out without getting on each other's nerves during sea days. The children's pool area is separate from the main pools but still allows parents to keep an eye on their kids while relaxing nearby. The water features are designed for safety while still providing plenty of entertainment value. What impressed me most is how the ship handles family dining. Kids' menus aren't just chicken nuggets and pizza. They offer healthier options that actually appeal to younger palates, plus cooking classes that get kids involved in food preparation. The ports of call and shore excursions available through Norwegian Prima showcase some of the most desirable destinations in modern cruising. The ship's size allows it to access ports that smaller vessels can't reach while still being nimble enough to dock at more intimate locations. Caribbean itineraries typically include stops at Norwegian's private island, Harvest Caye in Belize. This isn't just a beach with some lounge chairs. The island features zip lines, water sports, cultural experiences, and dining options that rival what you'd find at premium resorts. Mediterranean routes often include overnight stays in major cities like Barcelona and Rome, giving you enough time to truly explore rather than just rushing through tourist highlights. The ship's excursion team works with local operators to provide experiences that go beyond typical bus tours. What sets Norwegian Prima's shore excursions apart is the variety and authenticity. Instead of just offering generic sightseeing tours, they provide options for different interests and activity levels. Food tours led by local chefs, hiking excursions to hidden waterfalls, and cultural immersion experiences that connect you with local communities. The excursion booking system is user-friendly and allows you to see exactly what's included, how strenuous each activity is, and what to expect. Reviews from previous passengers help you make informed decisions about which excursions match your interests and abilities. For independent travelers, the ship provides detailed port information including transportation options, must-see attractions, and local customs. This helps you explore on your own while still feeling prepared and confident. Now for the honest overall review that you really came here for. Norwegian Prima succeeds in most areas but isn't perfect for every traveler. The ship excels at providing variety, quality, and genuine innovation in cruise experiences. The service throughout the ship is consistently professional and friendly. Crew members seem genuinely happy to help rather than just going through the motions. Response times for requests are reasonable, and staff members often go beyond basic requirements to ensure passenger satisfaction. The ship's design creates natural flow that prevents the crowded, chaotic feeling common on large vessels. You'll rarely feel like you're fighting crowds to get where you want to go, even when the ship is at full capacity. However, Norwegian Prima isn't cheap. Between the cruise fare, specialty dining, beverage packages, and activity fees, costs can add up quickly. Budget-conscious travelers might find themselves priced out of many experiences that make the ship special. The entertainment shows are hit or miss. Some productions are genuinely spectacular with impressive staging and talented performers. Others feel like they're trying too hard to be edgy or contemporary without quite hitting the mark. Internet connectivity, while improved from older Norwegian ships, still struggles during sea days when everyone's trying to upload vacation photos simultaneously. The premium internet packages help, but don't completely solve connectivity issues. What truly makes Norwegian Prima stand out from its competitors isn't just one feature, it's how everything works together to create a cohesive experience. The ship's unique selling points start with its innovative design that maximizes space and minimizes crowding. The Go-Kart track remains the most talked about feature, but it's the execution that impresses. Safety protocols are thorough without being overly restrictive, and the track design provides genuine thrills that appeal to both kids and adults. The Haven concept creates a ship within a ship experience that justifies its premium pricing. Haven guests don't just get bigger rooms, they get access to exclusive areas that feel like a private yacht experience with megaship amenities. Norwegian Prima's partnership with various celebrity chefs and restaurant brands brings authentic dining experiences that rival land-based establishments. This isn't just celebrity endorsement marketing, these partnerships result in genuinely elevated food quality. The ship's technology integration feels natural rather than gimmicky. From stateroom controls to activity booking, digital features enhance the experience without overwhelming less tech-savvy passengers. Environmental initiatives on Norwegian Prima go beyond basic compliance requirements. The ship incorporates advanced waste management, energy-efficient systems, and sustainable sourcing that appeals to environmentally conscious travelers. For business travelers and groups, Norwegian Prima offers surprisingly sophisticated meeting and event facilities. The conference rooms feature modern audiovisual equipment, flexible seating arrangements, and business center services that rival hotel facilities. Team building activities can be arranged through the ship's activity coordinators, combining business objectives with unique cruise experiences. The private dining rooms can accommodate everything from intimate board meetings to large corporate celebrations. Wedding and special event services extend beyond basic ceremony packages. The ship's event planners work with couples and families to create customized celebrations that take advantage of the ship's unique venues and ocean setting. The business center provides essential services like printing, copying, and computer access for passengers who need to stay connected during their vacation. Internet packages designed for business use offer higher speeds and priority access during peak usage times. Guest experience highlights from Norwegian Prima consistently focus on personalized service moments that exceed expectations. Passengers frequently share stories about crew members who remembered their preferences, went out of their way to accommodate special requests, or simply made them feel genuinely welcomed. One recurring theme in passenger feedback involves the ship's ability to handle special occasions. Birthdays, anniversaries, and milestone celebrations receive attention that feels personal rather than scripted. Staff members often coordinate surprises that create lasting memories. The ship's guest services team demonstrates flexibility in solving problems and accommodating requests. Whether it's dietary restrictions, mobility concerns, or special interest activities, the crew finds ways to make things work rather than just explaining why they can't. Repeat passengers often mention how the ship feels familiar yet fresh on subsequent visits. New activities, rotating entertainment, and seasonal menu changes keep the experience interesting even for frequent cruisers. The most impressive guest stories involve crew members who go beyond their job descriptions to ensure passenger satisfaction. These moments of exceptional service create the kind of positive word-of-mouth marketing that no advertising campaign can match. Norwegian Prima represents a significant evolution in cruise ship design and passenger experience. While it's not perfect and certainly not the cheapest option available, it delivers on its promises and provides genuine value for travelers seeking a premium cruise experience without the stuffiness of ultra-luxury lines. The ship succeeds in creating an environment where different types of travelers can find their ideal vacation experience on the same vessel. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, culinary experiences, or family fun, Norwegian Prima provides options that go beyond basic cruise ship offerings. For your next cruise consideration, Norwegian Prima deserves serious attention if you value innovation, quality, and variety in your vacation experiences. Just be prepared to pay premium prices for premium experiences, and you'll likely find that the investment pays off in memories that last long after you return home.